This video is about a short direct comparison. You have to make a decision here. If you had the money but could only choose one model, would you go for the Hot Wheels one or rather the MiniGT model? We're talking about the Libertywalk McLaren 720s, which has just been released by Hot Wheels as well as from MiniGT. Hot Wheels has just dropped the second series of silhouettes. The first wave was already really great, especially the black RWB went through the roof. Take a look at the prices of the car. Insane. In our opinion, this lineup is even more awesome. Not only do we have a drift Mazda, but also a Nissan racing car and two different Libertywalk models. Part of it are the R34 Skyline and our model of this video, the McLaren 720s. The color is a real hit. Hot Wheels already launched the 720s a few years ago, and now the Libertywalk has been added. And no joke, this is one of the best models of this year. The details, the design, is just perfect. And we'll give you 3 guesses. Yes, the rare chase model, number 05, is the McLaren 720s, as usual for chase models, all in black. Since chase models are rare, the prices are climbing. As always, completely exaggerated. Nothing is available for less than $100. Completely absurd. Not only does the regular version look better, and you can recognize the proportions more clearly, it's also a lot cheaper at $15 to $20. And here's the best part, the first release of MiniGT also comes in all black, practically like the chase model. But with a fine difference here, the details are even crazier. MiniGT has long been a very high standard for highly detailed models, and this one is no exception. And what's more, the car costs just under $17 max. So you can still buy a chaser for little money. Or what do you think? Who did a better job on the 720s? Which model would you choose? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to our channel, leave a like, and activate the bell so that you don't miss any more videos from us. See you next time. Cheers.